Hello everyone, this is Samat in front of you and today I want to give a speech on the topic of the practice. While listening this word, what is coming in your mind? Definitely practice, 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 because we all have been listening this word since the childhood. But have you ever thought of this, that what will be the result if you practice? If you practice to be the successful in your life, definitely the result of the practice is the success. If you practice, then definitely you will be successful and no one can snatch your success from you. Let me give you an example of the artist, Mr. Pablo Picasso. He is the great artist. One day he was walking on the road and he met a lady. The lady said, "Sir, I know you that you are the great artist. Can you draw something for me?" Pablo Picasso said, "Yes, why not? I can." Lady gave him pen and paper and the Pablo Picasso drew the painting for her. And Pablo Picasso said that the price of this painting is the 30 lakh rupees. The ladies was too shocked. Even all will be shocked that how can a person draw the painting in just 30 seconds. It was too amazing. So Pablo Picasso went from there and did not tell anything to that lady. One day it was the show of the Pablo Picasso and the lady got to know that Pablo Picasso is to come there. She went there and again she met to Pablo Picasso and she said, "Sir, I am that one lady for whom you drew the painting of the 30 lakh rupees. Can you tell me the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it?" The Pablo Picasso said, "Look ma'am, the painting which you are watching, that took me 30 years. I have practiced for my drawing 30 years and the result of this 30 years you can see is in front of you. The cost of this painting is the 30 lakh rupees and the practice which I have, the time which I have given to my aim, that was the 30 years. So you can see the practice makes the man perfect. It is the right proverb and no one can prove it wrong, because the practice is the only thing which can change your life, which can make your life if you practice according to your goal. You can take my example, me myself also making the mistake, but do not be afraid of the mistakes, because mistakes are there to learn. So I would just suggest you that focus on your goal and practice for that. Until and unless you don't practice, you will be not successful. Tell me any person who has gotten the success without practicing. No one has gotten the success without practicing. Everyone has practiced, everyone has left no stone unturned to be the successful in life. I would just suggest you practice for your goal, then definitely you will be successful. Thanks for watching.